Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is June 17, 2021. The syllabus, GCSE code. Topic is sequence. So I did not show the rest patterns. Easy, you know that. This is a pattern. We have a white tiles and we have a gray tiles. We can like pattern number one. How many gray? One, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. And white, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can say 10. And total are 20 tiles. So he's asking that fill the table. We can make a little trick. We can fill in the beginning or even the end of it, no problem. Like 4 gap plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. I show you like this. So this number we get by plus 4. So this number we get by plus 4. So naturally number get by plus 4. And next number also by plus 4. So easy. I got a 22 and I got a 26. So this number we can play a little trick because if you add them you get this. If you add them you get this. Or reverse. From this number subtract you get this. I'll show you. 42 minus 14 or minus 14 you get a 28. So from 110 subtract 22 we got 88. And similarly 156 subtract 26 we got a 130. So this box is very clear. So now we're going for the gray tiles nth term. Formula, you know, A is 10. Common difference is plus 4. You know, plus 4 plus 4. And what is the formula of the? This is called arithmetic progression. Formula is what? AP formula A plus n minus 1 times to D. A is 10. D is 4. 4 times to n, the 4n minus 4, and answer is 4n plus 6. This is our answer. So he's asking is over. Next part, pattern X. So it means this is a pattern N. If you ask for this is a pattern N. So pattern 2 means put 2, 2. Pattern 3 means put 3, put 3. And pattern X means put X and put X. And he's saying in pattern X we have 110. Don't put 110 here. 110 comes here. So it becomes 104 divided by 4 and we got 26. It means pattern number 1, pattern number 2, pattern number 3, pattern number 4. So pattern number 26 we have this many tiles. I think idea is clear. Now this question show number of tiles. He can ask this question after asking this one, but he cleverly asked first this one. So what is technique? So let's start. So what is the first term? 20. Second term 42. Third term 72. Then we have 110. Then we have 156. Gap is here. You can see that is 22. Gap is here, we can see 30. And gap we have here 110 minus 72, so 38. And gap here 156 minus 110, 46. You can see that this gap is 8, this gap is 8, this gap is 8. This number is called as a A, this number is called as a D1. This number is called as a D2. And we have a special formula Dn equal to A plus the same thing. A plus n minus 1 into D1 plus D2 divided by 2 in the bracket n minus 2 into n minus 1. Put the values so and just simplify. A is 20. D1 is 22. And D2 is 8. And if you multiply these two and square minus 3n plus 1 comes. Just simplify and get the answer. 22n and minus 22. This becomes 4 and square. And 4 3s are 12n and 4 1s are 4. Rearrange I got a 4n square. This and this becomes plus 10n. And this you solve, got a plus 6. So proved. So my target was to prove this one. And I have done my job. Next part, find expression for the nth of the white tiles. I can do many ways. But you can see that white nth term, okay. So this into this number, you can see here, 10 ones are 10, 14 twos are 28, 80 times to 354. So this into this answer, this into this answer. So nth term is here into n. So answer is over. So Tn gives you 4n plus 6 times 2n. And answer is coming 4n square plus 6n. Okay, I think this idea is also clear. You can test even. For example, put 1 here, you get 10. 1 here, 4, 1 here, 6 plus 4, 10 match. Last part of the question in pattern, this is a last part. And what he's asking here, is asking here in pattern P, the total number of tiles is equal to 8. Where is the total number of tiles? This formula, this one. Okay. This is for the nth pattern. And what the P pattern? So put P. So 4, it means this. Let me make a proper division. Okay. So if I ask the second pattern, so put 2, put 2. Third pattern, put 3, and sixth pattern, put 6, and P pattern, put P. So 4P squared, or I can say that, okay, clear, no problem, plus 10P plus 6 equals to 8 times to gray tiles. Gray tiles formula we have here. And again put P there. So 4P plus 6. Simplify only the matter. 4P squared plus 10P plus 6. 8 4s are 32P, 8 6 are 48. Bring on here this side. 4P squared minus 22P and minus 42 equal to 0. Divided by, I think so, 2. I got 2P squared 11P minus 21 equal to 0. So now 2021 got a 42 and 21 42 comes 42 and 6 7s are no 8 3 we can find factorization, or we can I think we can do for factorization or quadratic form. So let's see factorization technique. This is 42 comes. I do 21 times 42, 3 7, and 7 2s are 14 and 3 separate. And if we add or subtract at 11, so it means it works. So 14 and 3. 14 and 3. If we subtract, negative and positive give you negative. So 2P squared minus 14P plus 3P minus 21 equal to 0. 2P common, I got a P minus 7. And 3 common, I got P minus 7. So I'm getting P minus 7 and 2P plus 3. This give you fraction, leave it, and answer is coming 7. So pattern number 7. This no need because fraction, and fraction pattern is not possible at all.